mountains kiss the clouds from the highest peaks. Let the water trickle down to the mountain's feet. The river whispers, shares its secret to me, reminds me of who I am, feels like home to me. There are